Have you ever heard the saying, don't believe in everything you hear? Well, that truly applies to Calgary real estate market. Today, we Dhir and Goyal are going to be busting some of the biggest myths that we as Calgary real estate agents hear from our clients and customers that we meet in our day-to-day life. So if you're hesitating to buy, sell, or relocate to Calgary because you heard something somewhere, we are going to set the record straight. So stick around.
You might have heard that Calgary's real estate market is unpredictable and volatile. Yes, Calgary has seen ups and downs in its market, but over the past few years, it has become more stable, making it a good place to buy and relocate. Factors like population growth, economic diversification, and increased demands have been stabilizing the Calgary real estate market. Home prices in Calgary do not spike dramatically like other big cities like Toronto and Vancouver, which makes the Calgary real estate market more predictable and safe when it comes to buying and investing in Calgary. So, what is the bottom line? Calgary is a stable market and good for long term investments.
Let us turn our attention to the second myth now. The best time to buy or sell in Calgary is in spring or summer. Yes, most of the buyers do put on their listings in spring or summer, and there are fewer listings in fall and winter. But again, the competition is also low in fall and winter. So these cold months are the time when you're gonna find motivated sellers and better deals for yourself, whether you are buying or selling. So what's the takeaway over here? There is no perfect month to buy or sell. Every season has got its own advantages and disadvantages. So don't lay back because of the season because you heard it somewhere.
Many people still associate Calgary's economy solely based on oil and gas industry, but it is outdated. The city is now a hub for new tech startups, healthcare and renewable energy and many more businesses coming up. This diversification has brought some younger talent into the market and workplace, driving the Calgary real estate market further. The bottom line is Calgary is more than oil. It's evolving and it's growing.
Now, this one couldn't be further from truth. Calgary is too expensive for the first time home buyers. With an average price for $550,000 for a detached home, for which you can only get a tiny condo in Toronto and Vancouver, all we can say is that it is your perception. From which end of the country are you looking at? If you're looking from Toronto and Vancouver, it's gonna be cheaper for you. But if you're looking from a very small city, say a county or something from another province, it could be a little more expensive for you. The takeaway over here is that Calgary is an affordable city right now, and it is a great place for first time home buyers to build their equity.
Let's move forward to myth number 5. Calgary is only for investors, not for people becoming a homeowner. While Calgary is a great market to invest, it's also a pretty good market to buy your first home here in Calgary, Alberta. The city offers a high quality life, family friendly neighborhoods, green spaces, and proximity to the Rockies. Plus, there is no provincial sales tax, and moreover, the property taxes are pretty less than some of the cities in Canada.
You need a bigger down payment to buy a house in Calgary. No, it's a myth. The mortgage rules are same all over the country. For people looking at a house under $500,000 all over Canada, you need only 5% down. And if you're looking over $500,000, it's 10% of the remaining balance. So if you're holding yourself back just because you heard somebody saying that you need a bigger down payment to buy a house in Calgary, I would recommend talking to a mortgage specialist.
Some people also say that Calgary is a buyer's market. While Calgary has been traditionally a buyer's market, but it's changing now. Over the past years, low inventory and high demand has changed this myth and it has become more of a balanced and seller's market in many neighborhoods, especially with more affordable segment of houses. We can still see some bidding wars in those areas. The market is competitive, and working with an experienced agent will be the key.
Last but nonetheless, myth number 8, renting is better than buying in Calgary. Some people think that renting is better because it provides you with the flexibility and your movability in case of a job change or any other factor affecting your life. But if you're living long term in Calgary, as real estate professionals, we would recommend you that it makes more sense. Why so? Because of the great demand coming in and the people moving in from other provinces, the rental prices have risen sharply, making them comparable to the monthly mortgage of some of the apartments. So, if you are looking to buy a townhouse but you think your rent is comparable to an apartment, so the bottom line is, if you are living long term in Calgary, or if you have made up your mind to make Calgary your home permanently, buying will always make a better financial decision for you in the long term.
Calgary real estate market is full of opportunities, but myths like the one we discussed today can hold you back from making the best decision of your life. So, it's very important to keep the facts and the fictions separate. We hope this video has helped you doing so, and if you have any more questions or concerns, leave them down in the comments below. Do like and subscribe. Also, hit that bell icon for all the notifications and staying updated. This is Dhir and Goyal, your trusted and go to Calgary and surrounding area realtors. If you're looking to buy, sell, or relocate within the next 7 days or 7 months, we are here to help you. Click the link in the description below to book a meeting with us, and we will be there at each and every step. Do share this video with somebody who still has these myths